Hi, I'm Mike Thompson, but you know that by now, right? As 2019 comes to a close, I'd like to thank all of you who watched, subscribed, conversed, and commented on my channel this year. There have been so many comments this year that I haven't been able to keep up with as many as I'd like. And of course, if you still need help or want to ask a question, please email me and I'll do what I can to help out. But let's take a look back at the projects of 2019. There were only 39 videos this year because I took some time off when it began to feel like a chore each week. I wasn't able to do one good video per week, and you know I always try to make useful and well-produced videos, and so I didn't have an interesting project or a lesson to teach. Well, there wasn't a video that week. This year was a big one in that I changed the masthead and the trade dress, and I hit the 10,000 subscriber mark. Oddly enough, not much change in the way of analytics, and I'm a bit disappointed that I'm not getting more views on each video, but then again, it's not like I'm marketing to any one niche and I'm all over the place. So, oh well. I think in 2020 though, I'm going to create a couple of new channels that'll focus on specific topics rather than clutter up my main channel with some sort of actual focus. The fan favorite video this year was the DIY immersion wart chiller. It got the most views by far. Of course, it's still not a whole lot, and I'm not sure why, but a few of you suggested that the algorithm is somehow screwing with me, and I'm inclined to agree with you, but there's nothing I can do about it, and I'm still enjoying helping you guys out, so I'm still making videos. My favorite project of the year was the one I'm standing in front of right now, my kegerator. I actually don't have a video on it yet, and I do have a few, though, about the chiller coil, beginning brewers blogs, how to install a faucet, and things like that. But the video on the kegerator is coming soon, I promise. It's actually a really easy project, and I'm not sure it's worthy of its own video. But I want to give a special shout out to those of you that have left kind comments down there. People are 5 times more likely to complain than to say something nice. And when you guys go out of your way to let me know that I've helped you, that means an awful lot. Greg Sanini, Matt In, Swiss Dynamics, Billy Belmont, Gimme Gummy Bear, and Bargain House. You guys are awesome. So thank you so much. I encourage you all to leave a comment when you come across videos or blogs that help you. Filming a project makes it take 3 times as long, and then editing it makes it take even longer. So when you guys see something that helps, please comment on people's videos. It's that little pickup that we sometimes need. I got a couple of projects in the works, and they'll be featured shortly. One of them is my kegerator. Another one is my newest furnace for metal casting. I've got one about rocket science, about actually designing it from scratch and then flying one. I'm going to continue creating good content that show practical projects. You won't see any junk or hot glue on this channel. This channel will be all over the place as usual, but I'm going to start a couple of brother channels this year to focus on specific things, and so be on the lookout for those. I'm so thankful for each and every one of you that watches my videos and leaves nice comments. I hope you all had a great 2019, and I wish you all an amazing 2020. I'm looking forward to it. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm Mike Thompson, and thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.